Hello viewers, today I will show you the block work step by step. For the block work inside or outside, mostly as per the contract and the project specification, you will find that the DPC below the first layer, first setting out, first starting the block layer, first setting out the layer. Below the first line of the block work, we have to make the setting out, and this you can see the bituminous membrane material. It is called DPC, damp proof course. So first cleaning the surface, making it clean, and put this DPC, damp proof course, and the first line to be started, which help the block wall. After completing this DPC layer helps to prevent moisture and dampness in the wall and damaging the plaster and paint. Yes, as we can see here, this is the block work, how to fix the blocks. Actually this is the 15 cm solid block work. In our project we require this block work, solid block work inside, because we want to separate the two areas permanently. So we are not using hollow block. Instead hollow block, we are using solid block. And block work should be always staggered way. You can see here the block surface is very smooth. We don't allow any broken edges or broken corners blocks, and should be staggered way, and the mortar should be very equally placed between the blocks in the top and side surface, with minimum 1 cm space for the mortar. Not less than 1 cm is advisable. And as you can see here, it's a mesh, stainless steel mesh and hole pass, which is recommended for stiffness connection and to avoid cracks on our block work. The hole pass should be after every 2 or 3 block layers, and same the mesh should be alternatively 3 to 4 layers. This here we can see the block wall 80% height completed, still the height is remaining. It has the stiffeners, column and beam, which is recommended to make the wall stronger. We can see here the blocks are wet because curing is ongoing. After completing the block work, it has to be cured minimum 4 to 5 days with the spray water type of curing. This is the ongoing block work wall, where you can see the hole pass, mesh, properly fixed. After completing the block wall up to the full height and finishing the stiffeners, you can see here this steel mesh with the balls at all the joints where we have columns and block wall, backing joint. This is a part of preparation for plaster. It is very necessary, which helps after plaster to avoid cracks. The screws and washers on the mesh to be fixed in the staggered way with maximum 20 to 25 centimeter spacing. After fixing the mesh with the screw and washer with gun, the mortar to be applied on the mesh this way, as you can see here, which will give double protection to the mesh. This mortar to be type of bonding agent or rush coat, which will be a part of preparation for the plaster also, and which give firm bond to the plaster also.